when you're able to, I say this and I say it with so much love, but when you're able to see your role in it, even if you are the victim, if you can see your role into what happened, and the biblical term is to repent. The normal term, I guess you could say, is to just change your mind,
Yeah.
change your heart, change the path that you're on, make a U-turn, literally make a U-turn from where you're at, right? Your marriage fell apart. He walked out on you.
Yeah.
But then you realize that, you nagged for 2 years. And though it wasn't your fault in the sense because he played the role that caused you to nag, the nagging probably didn't help the marriage. Okay, so change, right? Say, okay, God, now come into my heart and change this in me because I can't do it myself. So for me, I had to take a lot of moments of going through a restoration of myself back to the Lord. And I think that that takes a lot of humility and a lot of vulnerability